Hello kids, today we learn about cleanliness. Brush in the morning and brush at night to keep your teeth shiny and bright. Splash, splash, take a bath, clean your body, clean your path. Long nails are not so cool, trim them gently, that's the rule. Wash your hands, don't forget, before and after every bite you get. Don't throw waste here and there, put it in the bin, show your care. Clean clothes every single day keeps the dirt and germs away. Achoo! Use your hanky fast, that's how good manner lasts. Brush your shoes to make them shine, nice and tidy, looking fine. Playtime is over, time to clean. Put toys back, keep it neat and clean. Book and pencils in a row, a tidy table helps you grow. Thanks for watching Kiddo Learn.